Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have showed you 5 amazing fall crafts using Dollar Tree items and other items I had on hand. For the first project, I picked out this pumpkin wall hanging from Dollar Tree. Then I took the pumpkins apart. I did not use that football piece. Then I painted the pumpkins with the chalk paint. To make chalk paints, I used plaster of Paris, some acrylic paint and little water. Now on camera, I have painted only one pumpkin for you because I wanted to keep the length of video in check. And here are the 3 painted pumpkins. I used the cardboard and the poster board pieces. Both of them I had laying around in the house. Then to hide the rough edges, I stuck the masking tape on the edges of the cardboard. I always save the cardboard I get with the packages when I order something, or sometimes I get the cardboard from Sam's Club or Aldi. Sticking the masking tape gives it a neat and clean look. Then I applied the school glue on the cardboard and stuck the poster board on it. I wanted to show a wooden slat going across the board horizontally, so I used these 3 pieces of poster board. They were not exactly of the same size, so I cut them to the size before sticking them in place. After sticking all 3 pieces of poster board, I cut out the part that was hanging out from the board. Next, I used the leaf stamps, painted them green, and then made the prints of the leaves on the poster board. If you don't have the leaf stamps, you can paint the leaves freehand, or you can buy some greenery from Dollar Tree and pull out the leaves and then stick them on the poster board as well. Once I finished the stamping, I stuck the pumpkins in place as shown. First, I printed out the letters, then I cut them out, placed them on the poster board. Then I made the markings on the top edge of each letter, so if they move, then I would know where the placement of each letter is. Next, I drew around each letter, and then I painted each letter with the brown acrylic paint. I outlined each letter with the black marker to give it a clean and neat look. Here I used the same chalk paint again to do some shading. And here's the final look. I hope you like it. For the second project, I picked out window clings and this gather sign. I wanted to take out the letters on the gather sign. To do that, I used a hair dryer and screwdriver. Some of the letters came off easily, but others didn't. so the board became a little bit uneven. I tried to even it out with the chalk paint. After painting the board with the chalk paints, I used the craft sticks that I had at home and stuck them at the bottom of the board to make the design. Instead of craft sticks, you can also use cardboard strips to make the same design. By now you might have guessed I'm making a door. I had bought some hinges for another project, but I had these remaining ones, so I decided to use them for this project. They're not supposed to show up like this in front of the door, but I like them this way, so I stuck them in front. To give the door aged look, I painted parts of the door with the brown paint. I used the window clings to decorate the door, and I decoupaged them on the door using the Mod Podge. And here's my adorable door. Do you like it? For the project number 3, I picked out some fall leaves and acorns. I also used a jumbo jingle bell and 2 cardboard circles that I cut out from the cardboard I had. The thread that I have used unravels quickly. To stop that, I put the masking tape on one end of the thread, and because of the masking tape, the thread goes through the jingle bell easily. I made sure the length of the thread is right, and then I cut it out and put the masking tape on the other end of the thread as well. Since I'm making the wreath, I'm using these colorful leaves and I'm sticking them on the cardboard circle. These are nice bright colored leaves. There are about 15 in one pack. I finished one row and I still have quite a few remaining, so I could make, I think, 2 more circles with the leaves, but I decided to make 1 more circle only. When I finished the first row, I started with the next row and I started with the green leaf on the top center of the circle. I'm so glad you chose to watch my video today. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to like and share my videos. I stuck the thread with the bell right behind that green leaf. And then I stuck another circle on top as shown here. I placed all the acorns on the wreath and then I stuck them one by one until they were done. I stuck this piece of wire to make the hook for the wreath. And here's my fall wreath. I absolutely love this. Do you? For this project, I picked out some fall leaf stickers and button magnets. I stuck one button magnet on the back of each leaf and the project is done. It can't get easier than this, can it? And also it looks so beautiful. You can use these magnets to decorate your refrigerator, or you can stick a photograph using these magnets on the refrigerator. How pretty is that? For this project, I picked out this wooden circle from the Dollar Tree and got rid of that pumpkin using hair dryer. I used white acrylic paint as a primer. Then I painted it over with the brown acrylic paint. I love it when I get to pour the paint on a surface and just spread it with the paintbrush. It's so easy, no mistakes. I used black, white, red, brown and yellow acrylic paints and painted this circle to make it look like finished wood. I wanted to decoupage a sunflower on my door hanger, but I did not have the decoupaging paper napkin or any other decoupaging paper, so I decided to print out the sunflower on the printer paper and make it work for me. For this, I stuck the packaging tape all over on the back of the printer paper. As I peeled the tape, it pulled away a layer of printer paper along with it, making it as thin as paper napkin. It's kind of fun to peel away the paper layer like this. Then I cut out the sunflower and then using the Mod Podge, I decoupaged this sunflower on the wooden circle that I painted. Usually for decoupage, we tear the paper along the edges of the picture, but I cut it out. I just did it my way. I had some leaves remaining from the wreath project. I used those leaves here and I decoupaged them as well. These jingle bells are from years ago. I can't even remember when I bought them, but for this project they came in handy. First, I strung the jingle bells in the thread and then I cut out the threads, and now I have the loops with the dangling jingle bells. Once I had all the loops ready, I stuck them on the back of the wooden circle. I wish I had a lot more jingle bells than this, but I had only 5, so I just decided to use whatever I had. I love the sweet sound of dangling jingle bells. The decoupage sunflower looked kind of flat, so I decided to paint it to give it a little depth. I painted the edges of the petals of the sunflower with the brown and the black paints. I also did some shading on the sunflower with the same paints. This shading gives the sunflower the 3D look. If you don't have Dollar Tree where you live, that's okay. You can make most of these materials that I have used in these projects at home using cardboard or foam sheet or paper. It will take time. It's a little painful, but I think not having Dollar Tree shouldn't stop you from trying any of these projects, right? Here I painted the word fall on the leaves. I stuck the window clings on the door hanger to decorate it some more. I dabbed some yellow paint with the dry paint brush all over my door hanger. And here's my beautiful door hanger. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye.